In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Amazon not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, let's say you're trying to use Amazon, you're trying to open up the application, or you're trying to use Amazon Prime Video or anything like that, any of Amazon's services. So you go ahead and open it up, but it's not working for you, whether you're on mobile or PC. So as you can see, right now it's working for me. So you got to do a few of these different things. The first thing you want to do is go to your App Store. Then just go to the top right where it has your profile icon. From here, just scroll down and go to update all. See if any of the apps need updating. As you can see, Amazon Prime Video was just recently updated for me, which is why it's working for me. And then what you can also do is go to your settings. If it's still not working, scroll down and go to general. Then once you're in general, go to iPhone storage, which is the third option. From here, just look for Amazon. So I'm going to type it in right now. And type in Amazon, go ahead and click on it. Now you don't want to delete the app. What you want to do is offload the application. It basically clears the cache. And the same thing with like a Samsung or an Android phone, go to your settings application, go and find the app section, find Amazon, and then clear the cache over there as well once you're in the storage section on your Android or Samsung phone. Then the final thing you can do is go to your browser of choice. So I'm going to go over to Google Chrome and then just go to a website called downdetector.co.uk, which is what I'm on right now. Then just look for Amazon Web Services. As you can see, Amazon's having a lot of issues right now, and they're trying to fix it. And yeah, it's Amazon services and as well as Amazon as well. They're both having a bunch of issues, which lets you know that, even if it's not working after all those fixes, which it might, but in case it doesn't, that's because Amazon is currently down right now. A lot of things are like a lot of internet outages are happening right now across like Amazon, Snapchat, which if you want Snapchat working, we have another video for that as well. That was posted just before this one. So go ahead and check that out as well. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.